you taught me how to swim.
From what I remember, that nearly pushed me off. Surprised you really, since they need you to the swan to swim.
But I want you to come.
I can't come. I belong back on the lake with your father. And they say birds of a feather should flock together. And you belong with the swans now. And I think I know someone who's rather keen that you go with them.
I've only just found you. I'm not sure if I want to leave you again so soon.
Of course you do. Now come on before I get all tearful.